for money, or perhaps they're a small business owner, solopreneur, but they're still exchanging time for money because there's not enough hours in the day to get ahead until you leverage yourself. Leverage comes from the franchising concept, which at one point was looked at very poorly, as network marketing has been in the past 100+ years. However, with today's social media, e-commerce solutions, and people wanting to get home, they want to work from home, they want to be independent, and they want to control their time and how much money they can earn. It has come of age. So creating and developing a residual income, which is a leveraged income source, which will go on with or without you participating in the growth of it, is what I teach. There is a way. If you don't have capital, if you don't have all the credentials behind your name, all the letters behind your name, you can do this business as an average person